Let's check today's headlines. State of emergency declared across India. Brothers and sisters, today 12 pm, entire nation will be in lockdown. This was news and this is television. This was 1975, 2020. Now this was Congress and this is BJP. Lot of things have changed from that time to this time, but few things in our political system are still same. Today Ayush Gupta is here to talk about politics. First is corruption. Now if I am interested to join a political party, he will ask me how much money you have and how much is your bank balance, can you support the party funds, or he might ask which caste do you belong, or can you promote our caste to your caste, or can you get some votes for us. This is the second question. Now when I joined this party, I wanted to serve people. I didn't join this because I had lot of money or I want lot of money. This is very bad. Now second thing is, even if I join, there is no stipend to work with the youth wing, to work with the party workers, and ultimately I won't be able to survive. So the people, the persons, my friends, my relatives who has money, who has funds, will be able to survive in the long run. Now this is the first corruption situation. Now there is one incident. Two different trips were organized to pilgrimage sites and people were asked to go to different sites. Some people went to one pilgrimage site and other people went to other pilgrimage site. Now after the trip, organizers came and they announced those who went for first pilgrimage will vote for the political party who organized the first. Actually, those who went for the second will vote for the second. But there were people who went for both. There were few people and they said, I will vote for the third political party. My second point is lack of education. When I want to join a political party, they will not ask me what is your education, what is your qualification, and what is your capability, what are your skills. They will ask me money, caste, and these things. So if I ask you how many educated ministers are there in the senior leadership, you will be able to name few, but if I'll ask you uneducated ministers, you will name a lot of them. Now solution is in the hope. We the youth are in majority right now and we can really shake the political system. We have to raise our voice, we have to gear, we have to push the government, we have to be the Nayak of the political system, Mr. Anil Kapoor. Only we can do it, you can do it, and we all together can do it. This is Ayush signing off. Thank you for listening to me.